Hello, on today's tips and tricks, we're going to be covering the importance of insurance. I know at a farmer's market and a lot of events in the state, insurance isn't required, but insurance is something that every vendor should have. It can really be the difference between destroying your business and preserving it in case something happens. With insurance, you can range from very inexpensive on your coverage from say like $200,000, $500,000, all the way up to $1 million, $2 million on more, which is, the price is going to increase a little bit, but it's still inexpensive when you consider if something happens, you're putting your business at risk, you're putting your personal assets at risk when you don't have insurance. A scenario would be if somebody's walking through the market, they fall and hurt themselves at your tent, not only are they going to sue the market, but there's a good possibility they're going to sue you. Insurance protects you. It gives you that state of mind that if something does happen, you're going to be protected. And it's the folks that say, oh, it'll never happen to me, or I don't need insurance, that type of stuff happens too. So we highly recommend everybody have insurance. You should be looking at that to get it for your business. If you have any questions, reach out to me, Bill Davenport at Anchored Market Ventures, and I'd be more than happy to help you to some options for insurance here locally, answer any questions you may have, and get you along your way to being protected and becoming a more profitable vendor at your local markets.